Good morning. It is Saturday, January 25, 2020, and it is 8:28 in the morning. I decided to walk around this condo complex again to look at some of the units right here. Didn't know this morning it could be that busy, but alright, so one of our units are in here. Is this one. Yeah, this was running, and we shut it off in the morning because it was really cold in the place. So I guess none of them are running. The thing is that I can't get it started because the controls into the Goodman is really weird. So I just don't know how to control that because the thermostat only goes down all the way to 68 degrees. So, and that's just way too low for it, you know? Check that out. Alright, here we got more Goodmans. Oh, we get up for the morning. They look nice on the sunrise right here. It's pretty lit. Surprisingly, none of these are running because I haven't got any of these units running yesterday in part one. There's all the other Goodmans. I might get a close up on one of those Rheems, honestly. So yeah, I really wish one of these Rheems were running. Classic 10-series units. 2001 210. It's probably the same thing. This is faded. This Goodman is newer. It's got a rotary compressor. This one's from 2002. So does this one. Yeah, really interesting. Alright, so this other side right here is a hotel. That's our condo complex. And I was assuming it has air conditioners, and well, I guess I was right. Here we have some carriers. Old base models. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. – 2014, 1.5 ton. That was the same. Nice units. They're in really good shape. Get a picture of that. Yep. All these have Copeland scrolls. So, yeah. Nice units. I just realized there's more carriers up there. So, that probably means, I don't know, I might have to figure out later. Alright, here we have more Rheems. That back there is a Comfort Star. Wasn't actually expect that unit to be here because all there is like Rheems and Goodmans around this place. I don't know if I can actually get up to it. There's a bigger unit right there, the bigger Rheem. So, one of those is running back there, and it's probably that Goodman. Probably get a closer look at it. And here we have some Rheem Corsairs right here. It's interesting. This was from 1999. It's a 1.5 ton. I bet these are all the same. That one's actually running cool mode at a really cold weather today. So it's kind of weird. Yeah. Alright, so one of those Rheem Corsairs back there just fired up. There's actually like a few more. Oh yeah, these two are running actually. There's an older Goodman right there. They're actually quiet. Well, I don't know if the compressor's running or not, but like, so yeah, it's an older Goodman. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this part 2 of this video. Peace.